I've been upgrading everything in my kitchen from one piece at a time. And so I got these silicone trivets. Now I wanted to show you because it comes in a pack of 3. And as you can see, there's different designs. Now, me personally, I love an aqua color or a teal color. And so that's why I picked these up because they're cute. So the thickness on these is about this thick. I'd say maybe a half inch. They are silicone, so they fold. And the best part is you can hand wash these or you can put them right in the dishwasher. So the reason why I grabbed them, I'm actually currently making dinner as we speak. I'm making beef flautas right now. So the reason why I got them is because sometimes whenever I have like a working space, I need to be able to go and put the pan. There we go. I need to go and put the pan on my counter. And that's actually what I'm doing right now is I'm going to be taking this mixture and rolling it up into tortillas, but I need to have it close at hand. So if you need to have something good for a hot pan, a hot pot, or something like that for your kitchen counter, I do recommend these because they are easy to store, they are functional, and I love the design on them.